Today we have a 2015 Subaru, 185,000 miles. Original engine, by the way. No head gasket leaks, just a valve cover leak. But that's not the problem. Our customer is concerned about the temperature of the AC coming out. They said that the clutch was acting erratic, engaging, disengaging really fast. Not normal. So they replaced it. The problem still persists. Now I can see that somebody's been in here with their pliers, chewing up my relay, playing the old Swapperoo game, thinking it's a relay, doing the hokey pokey on my wiring harness. But the problem's not there. Yes, those relays should be replaced, but we won't worry about them yet. We need the tool. You see, even though this AC control panel looks like it's digitally controlled, it's actually not. This is an analog control system with digital control systems in it that talk to the computer network. I like to call this a hybrid setup. Long story short, there's no AC control module or computer in this car. It's all done through the ECM, engine control, computer. One of the fastest ways to determine if you have a AC computer is to see if the controls have a auto feature on here for auto climate control. If you don't have auto climate control, then you don't have a computer. So I'm going to be looking at my signal request here, and I have the AC switch status right there. It says off, and I press a button, and it still reads off. Just because that light is illuminated does not mean that that button is working. Two different circuits. If I just rapid fire this button a few times and do the Konami code over here, I can make that read on, but it will eventually start flaking in and out. Unfortunately, this needs a new AC control panel. Again, because there's something wrong in the logic board right here that communicates on the computer network to the engine control module underneath this part of the dash right here. I think what I'm trying to say is, just because it looks simple doesn't mean you shouldn't be using your tool, scan tool in that matter. It's real easy to just jump to conclusion, get the AC machine out, start sucking out Freon, waste a whole bunch of time, do the hokey pokey with your test light, start throwing parts on there. I admit it. I've been there before. I've made those mistakes. You really got to get these scan tools out. You got to be looking at your command signals, because if your signal ins are not going to the computers, then the signal out to turn the compressor on will not be there. Thumbs up, everyone.